Hello, brave LCVP. Let's do it. So, welcome to the session for experience now. So, in our last session, we talk about preparation and how to deliver OPS. What are the things that we need to cover as home entity? What are the things that we ensure that will be covered up from the host entity? Now we're gonna go a little deeper on experience, right? So this is the moment where we are between realized and finished. So all the standards that we need to be delivering here is first day of work, alignment spaces with opportunity provider, job description, working hours, duration, benefits, and departure support. So the explanation of these standards, you can find them in the standard section of your transition, right? And we just need to ensure that, as you can see, this is all under host entity. So our role as home entity during experience is mostly checkups and making sure that this is delivered, right? So I'm just going to share with you, for example, what is the kind of thing that I am using for the EP management. So I already showed you this, but let's go for approval to realization. So for example, here I have all the approvals that I have. So what I need to check based on the realization, do they have this? For example, I forgot to update, but yes, they get OPS, yes, insurance, yes, she has, yes, absolutely. And I need to see, basically, for basic living costs, arrival, pickup, accommodation, I need to go and check with Turkey if this is delivered, right? And if everything is delivered, I will have it completed. So this is the goal of checkups for experience, basically. And one thing that you need to be absolutely thrilled about is the fact of, just let me check something. Yes, okay, cool, perfect. So the only thing that is absolutely important as well is the part of check-ins and check-outs. So for example, this is up to you. What I suggest is you have weekly checkups with your EPs saying that, hey, did you receive that? Hey, did you receive that? Or also, for example, for the personal goals that they set it for a reason. So if, for example, taking the example of the previous one, if an EP told me, hey, Yaprak, I'm going to write one article per week about this issue, I need to check the next week, hey, how was it going? Did you write the article? Can I read it? Blah, blah, blah. You need to show a little interest as well in order to make sure that they are supported from our side. So basically, this is it for experience. Any other thing that you need to know is if they have an issue. So let's say that they want to break realization or something. You can actually see it here. So for example, is responsibility, blah, blah, blah. This is XPPs. It is the legal document of everything that is happening for EPs, for us. So for example, here you have a part where it's said from realization until completion. So this is the responsibility of the EP, right? So here you can see all the responsabilité contractuelle of the EB. And here you have the opportunity provider, so the partner that is having the NGO, for example. Then you have hosting entity. So if I'm sending Lucy to Turkey, this is Turkey. And here I have our responsibility as the sending entity. Then, of course, the both entities. And canceling realization procedures, for example, you can see it here, step by step, under which circumstances the EP can actually demand a cancellation for the realization and for the opportunity provider as well, for each party, and how to go on with it. So this is it for this one. And if you have any questions, you can approach me, you can approach your MC elect, and yeah, let's do it. Let me find it.